Okay, guys, we have already covered 5 bugs from our list, and now it's time to make a summary. It was really fast, and I really enjoyed this journey, and I hope that everything was clear up till now. So, first, I introduced you to HackerOne. HackerOne really is powerful. It's fantastic. You can hack legally and get paid for your findings, right? You can hack the best companies in the world. You can get the money for your findings. You can have a lot of fun, and there is a plethora of opportunities for you. Well, there are different rewards. You can earn $100, $1,000, or even $10,000 per bug. It's just amazing, and of course, the more severe the bug is, the higher reward you can get. Every single program has different, kind of tables, how much money you can get for a different kind of vulnerability, but there are many options. What was also very important part of this course was the list of 5 bugs to start with. I wanted to give you the knowledge related to what works, right? What bugs are accepted, what bugs, I recommend you to start with, why, what is the mindset of the bug hunter, and how you should think to find these bugs. And of course, I covered the technical details of every single bug from this list, right? So 5 bugs that have proven to be successful for me in the recent years. Now I want you to benefit from this knowledge as well. I don't want you to experiment too much, with different things. You've got it. You've understand it. So let's make the most of this knowledge. So very briefly, what was covered, in this list of 5 bugs, I presented to you how password reset link from the web application can be automatically disclosed to external domains. Very nice, very powerful attack that leads to account takeover, right? Then I told you how you can get access to the account of the logged out user. Remember, what you see is what you see. Don't trust it very much. You have to understand the details, and now you know that it's important what happens on the server side, not necessarily what happens on the client side, right? After that, I discussed insecure processing of credit card data. We've got credit card data processing in a vast amount of places. I presented how your credit card data can be cached in plain text. We don't want it to happen. Now you know how you can test for this kind of a problem. After that, I discussed disclosure of authentication cookie. Authentication cookie is a very sensitive piece of data. When the user is authenticated, then this is actually the only piece of data that is used by the web application to recognize the user. If there is any kind of disclosure of this cookie, then the game is over. And very important message to you, even if your web app is protected by secure HTTPS, this kind of disclosure can happen if your cookie has not been set with secure flag. This is what I presented step by step in the demo. And last but not least, I discussed user enumeration. I presented to you how the attacker can build up a list of all users registered in the web application. You also learned about smart thinking of hackers. Hackers don't give up too early. If they cannot achieve their goal in one way, they try to find another way of reaching their goal. And here you learned how the attacker can also enumerate users via forgot password functionality, right? So basically, this is it. This is a good starter for you. As I already told you, it has proven to be successful for me. I want you to be successful as well. I hope that you like this course, and I really want you to be successful. So let me wish you good luck. I hope that it has been informative for you. Have a good day and start hacking and making money today at HackerOne. Bye bye.